how to make bullet point on Google Slides. Now, if you've noticed, let's say you're making a certain slide and a presentation, and there is no bullet point, right? So if you look at the top also, so let me just select this text, and if you look at the top also, you can see there is no option like bullet. Now, what you can do is you can just select the text. At the top, you can see this little option that says bulleted list or this numbered list. If you want a bulleted list, you can select that, and you can simply add text in bullets just like this, right? So you can go ahead and then add it just like this. You can just go ahead and add it. If this is what you're looking for, perfectly fine. But instead of using this little tool at the top also, what you can also do is instead you can also choose to basically use a keyboard shortcut that is Control Shift and 8. Control Shift 8. Now, if you're using Mac, then you want to substitute the control for command key, which would be Command Shift and 8. So Control Shift 8, that will give you a bullet point. Again, selecting that same shortcut will remove the bullet point. Or you can also go ahead and use this particular numbered list, maybe if you want to, or maybe if you want, you can use this bulleted list. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.